हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका अपने YouTube चैनल पर बोलो इंग्लिश बिंदास विद अतुल सर। यू नो देयर आर मैनी गर्ल्स विद मी टुडे इन टुडे सेशन। जैसा कि आज आप लोग देख रहे हैं, बहुत सारी गर्ल्स आज हमारे साथ खड़े हैं सेशन में और देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन इन योर माइंड, व्हाट्स न्यू टुडे, कि आज नया क्या है। यू नो आज हम लोग एक धमाकेदार अंग्रेजी की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और एक बढ़िया सेशन हम आपको करके दिखाएंगे हमारे इन स्टूडेंट्स के साथ। द स्टूडेंट्स आर लुकिंग वेरी सिंपल। ये बाय फेस आपको चेहरे से सिंपल दिखाई दे रहे हैं, बट दे आर नॉट सिंपल। दे आर वेरी स्मार्ट स्टूडेंट्स, दे आर वेरी लवली स्टूडेंट्स एंड दे स्पीक वेरी गुड इंग्लिश। सो डू नॉट गो ऑन देयर फेसेस, गो ऑन देयर स्मार्टनेस। इनके फेस पे आप ना जाएं। दे आर लुकिंग वेरी डोसाइल, बहुत सीधे लग रहे हैं, लेकिन अंग्रेजी बहुत ही स्मार्ट बोलते हैं। और आज मैं इनके साथ प्रैक्टिस करूंगा। आज हमारा एक प्रैक्टिस सेशन है। उस प्रैक्टिस सेशन में हम लोग जानेंगे कि इन्होंने क्या खोया क्या पाया। अब तक इन्होंने क्या खोया क्या पाया, किस तरीके से अंग्रेजी के सवालों के जवाब देते हैं, किस तरीके से अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं, किस तरीके से क्वेश्चंस को बताते हैं, किस तरीके से आंसर्स देते हैं। आज इन सारे स्टूडेंट्स से हम लोग वार्तालाप करेंगे। चलिएगा तो सेशन को हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। आई एम अतुल, योर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज ट्रेनर। लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेशन नाउ। मैडम, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
I am Shahira.
Very nice. Where are you from?
I am from Dhampur.
Okay. What are you doing nowadays?
I am doing BSc nowadays.
Wonderful. Very nice. बहुत सुंदर आपने जवाब दिया। Shahira, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing PUBG, reading books, riding bike.
Very nice. Are you learning English nowadays?
I am learning English nowadays.
Very nice. So could you tell our audience and could you tell our viewers कि why are you learning English nowadays? Why are you learning English nowadays?
Because I want to improve my personality. I want to develop my personality. Because that's why
I am learning English nowadays. Very nice. So do you speak English in your home?
I speak English at my home.
All right. Who do you speak with?
I speak with my sister.
Very nice. Have you got sister?
I have got sister.
All right. What class is she doing?
She has done MA.
She has done MA. Is she studying nowadays and she has left to study?
She is left study.
She has left to study.
She has left study.
Very nice. Have you got any brothers?
Yes, I have got 3 brothers.
Very nice. Are they speaking English?
They are speaking English.
Very nice. Do you speak English with them?
I speak English with them.
All right. Do you prepare breakfast?
I don't prepare breakfast.
Does your mummy prepare breakfast?
She prepares breakfast.
Very nice. So what food do you like the most?
I like pasta the most.
Very nice. I like pasta the most. Shahira, can you prepare pasta?
I cannot prepare pasta.
What's your name?
My name is Shah.
You look at the camera, please. My name is Vishakha. All of you speak somewhat loudly. थोड़ा सा तेज बोलिएगा. Where are you from, Vishakha?
I am from Dhampur.
Very nice. Do you like Dhampur?
I like Dhampur.
Very nice. So, what are you doing nowadays?
I am doing BSc nowadays.
All right. Where are you doing BSc from?
I am from Shahara.
I am doing BSc from
I am doing BSc from Lakshya College, Shahara.
Lakshya College, Suhara. Very nice. What's your name, madam?
My name is Suniti.
Oh, very nice. Where are you from?
I am from Dhampur.
I am from Dhampur. So, could you tell them about your hobbies, please?
My hobbies are reading book and singing.
Singing. Do you sing a song?
I am singing songs.
All right, all right. Do you sing a song?
I sing a song.
Very nice. So, what song do you like the most? Could you tell me one line, please? Could you tell me the song name, please? One line, please.
सृष्टि रचाने वाले तुम.
Very nice. I like Swasti Rachane Wale the most. Very nice. Can you sing this song?
I can sing the song.
I can sing this song.
This
Very
song.
nice. Madam, what's your name?
Am I?
I'm Aisha. Could you speak loudly, please?
I'm Aisha.
I'm Aisha. Aisha, where are you from?
I'm from Shanghai.
I am from Sherkot. Very nice. Do you like Sherkot?
I like Sherpa.
Do you speak English?
I'm speaking.
Can you speak English?
I can speak.